Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel Learn with Essay. Today's topic is sentences and its kind. Part 1. Before learning about sentences, I want to ask how many alphabets do we have in English? English में कितने alphabets होते हैं? Yes, indeed, English has 26 alphabets. English में 26 alphabets होते हैं and when we join these alphabets, what do we get? We get words. जब हम इन 26 alphabets को join करते हैं तो हमें क्या मिलता है? Words, right? And when we join these words, what do we get? We get a sentence, right? So what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense, right? So एक sentence क्या है? एक सेंटेंस शब्दों का एक ऐसा समूह है जिसका पूर्ण अर्थ निकलता है, जिसका पूरा अर्थ निकलता है, राइट? Let us take some examples. The cat slept on the couch, right? She likes strawberries. The birds sang. It's raining outside, right? So these are the few examples of sentences. Now let us talk about kinds of sentences. We have two kinds of sentences. One is based on function and another is based on structure. So basis function, we have 5 sentences that are assertive or declarative sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, exclamatory sentences, and optative sentences. And based on structure, we have simple sentences, compound sentences, complex sentences, compound complex sentences. Today, we are going to learn kinds of sentences based on function. We have already discussed earlier that basis function we have 5 subtypes of sentences. The very first one is assertive or declarative sentences. Assertive or declarative sentences talks about fact or opinion. Assertive और declarative sentence किसके बारे में बात करता है? किसी भी general fact के बारे में और या फिर किसी opinion के बारे में, right? Second thing, that assertive or declarative sentences can be an affirmative sentence or a negative sentence, right? ये एक positive statement भी हो सकता है या फिर negative statement भी हो सकता है. Third thing that we need to take care about assertive or declarative sentences is that it ends with a full stop. किससे end होता है ये sentence? Full stop से. Let us have a look at few examples. So the very first example is the sun rises in the east, right? So it is what? It is a fact. She does not enjoy reading books. What is it? It is a fact about someone and it is having a negative statement. Next, I think she enjoys reading a book more than watching television, right? So here the statement is making an opinion and the very last sentence is I feel regular exercise is the best way to stay healthy. So what is it? It is an opinion. Second type of sentences is an interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences ask questions. It can be a WH based question, it can be a preference based question, or it can be an open-ended question. Second thing, that it ends with a question mark. So what have we understood? That interrogative sentences जो होते हैं वो questions पूछते हैं, चाहे वो WH family based questions हो या फिर वो preference based question हो या फिर वो open ended question हो. किससे ये ख़त्म होते हैं? Question mark से. So let us have a quick look at the examples. What time does the movie start? Right? So it is a WH based question. Would you like to have a tea or coffee? It is a preference based question. Did Ria call you? So it is an open ended question. Can you help me with this? It is again an example of interrogative sentences. Third kind of sentences is imperative sentences. What is an imperative sentence? Imperative sentence gives command, it makes a request, advice, or instruction, right? So now let us have the examples. Close the door. It is giving a command. ये statement क्या दे रहा है? Command. Please pass the salt. It is making a request. So जहाँ पे हम request करते हैं, it comes under the category of imperative sentences. Drink plenty of water every day. This statement is giving an advice. ये statement एक advice दे रहा है. So जब भी हम advice देते हैं वो imperative sentences के under आता है. The last statement is turn left at the next corner. It is giving an instruction, right? जब हम instruction देते हैं तो भी वो imperative sentences के under आता है. And next thing that we need to take into account is the statement ends with a full stop. Imperative statement, imperative sentences full stop से end होते हैं. Next one is exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences talks about sudden emotions or feeling, right? Exclamatory sentences एक सडन फीलिंग के बारे में बताता है और हमारे इमोशंस को शो करता है, राइट? एंड exclamatory mark can come in middle of the sentence and at the end of the sentence as well. एक्सक्लेमेटरी जो मार्क हम यूज़ करते हैं वो मिडल में भी आ सकता है और एंड में भी आ सकता है. इट इज़ नॉट कंपल्सरी कि वो एंड में ही आए. So let us have at some examples. What a beautiful day it is. I cannot believe we won the match. Wow, that was an amazing performance. Alas, the old man is dead, right? So alas is what? It is a sad emotion. Wow is what? It is showing happiness. So these are the few examples of exclamatory sentences. Next one is optative sentences. Optative sentences talks about wishes और प्रेयर. जब भी हम कोई विश मांगते हैं या फिर हम प्रेयर करते हैं, सो जनरली वी यूज़ ऑप्टेटिव सेंटेंसेस, राइट? एंड इट एंड्स विथ एन एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क बिकॉज ये आपकी फीलिंग्स के बारे में बात करता है. सो लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट द एग्जाम्पल्स. मे गॉड ब्लेस यू. May you recover quickly. Wish you all the best. May your efforts be rewarded. So now we have understood that optative sentences talks about the prayers and the wishes. Thank you so much for watching our channel. If you believe our content was nice, please do like and subscribe it so that we should come up with second part. अगर आपको हमारा चैनल पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ताकि हम सेकेंड पार्ट के साथ आपके पास वापस आ सकें. धन्यवाद. थैंक यू सो मच.